Hi library friends, this is Miss Leanne from the Huntley Area Public Library. We're back with another fun craft video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chalk paint, whether you want to paint your driveway outside on a sunny day or you want to paint inside on a chalkboard on a cold and stormy day. The supplies you'll need today is some cornstarch, you'll need some food dye. So I have red, green, blue, and yellow here. Then you're gonna want a lot of water. So I have a measuring cup full of water. And then you're gonna want something to separate your different colors. So I have a muffin tin. So let's get outside to mix all of our ingredients so that we don't make a mess inside of our house. So you'll need tablespoon of cornstarch in each of your tins. Then you're going to want to grab your water, and you want to grab about 3 to 4 spoons of water in each of your tins. And then you want to get your food dye. So I'm going to make this one red. The red will come out. I'm going to make this one green. So you want to put 3 drops in. That one blue. And then this one yellow. And then you want to stir it up with a spoon so that it's nice and rich. So you want to make sure you stir it up really nice because the cornstarch is going to be stuck at the bottom. So the bread did turn out red. It just turned out kind of pink. If you want to turn it more red, I would maybe put a couple more drops in. And then if you want to make more colors, all you have to do is mix the different dyes that you have. So if you want to make purple, you're just going to mix the pink and the blue. And if you want to make orange, you're going to mix the red and the yellow. And then if you want to make other colors, you just kind of experiment. Alright, so I have a old brush that I'm going to use. And you are going to want some water to dip it into, but that's okay. I'm just going to mix it up. So you're going to want to paint whatever you want. I'm going to paint a rainbow because that's the fastest thing that you can do and the easiest. So as you can see right now, it's a little watery, but once it dries down, you're going to see the different colors. And the good thing about this chalk paint is that once you dump some water on top of it, all of it washes away, so you can repaint whatever you want. Since it's not as sunny out today, it is going to take a little longer for the chalk paint to dry out, because you are going to want it to dry before you see the final artwork. So we'll have to come back in about 30 minutes to an hour. But you can kind of see the colors showing through a little bit. That's how the chalk looks after 30 minutes. As the chalk keeps on drying, it will get brighter. And if you want to redraw your painting, you can actually just pour some water on it. And it'll actually disappear. Thanks for watching. Make sure you log on to huntleylibrary.org for all your digital content you have access to with your library card. We'll see you next time. Bye. Stay safe.